Alright, get these feet going. Cleaning legs and dirty legs of yours. In between the toes, you got all the fuzzies in there. Got to be the fuzz buster. You just lay back, miss, and enjoy the services. Move your gown here. Wait, why the heck is this?
Oh, you put it in front of the frame.
It's...
You enjoying yourself, Charlotte?
She likes it. Get the armpitties. Get them armpitties.
What?
Okay. Let's rinse you off. What?
Getting your shoes wet.
I know. This will be their downfall. Charlotte's bathing. You're going to ruin a good pair of loafers. I do it all for you. I give my loafers all for you. Charlotte, baby, you're my girl. Alright, let's get them armies. Dirty little hands. Where you been putting these hands?
Make sure you get in between. You get all fuzzy.
Here we go. There we go. Cool.
Look at her face.
There it is.
She's staring at
Now
you.
we're rocking and rolling.
It's cool she's staring at you because she knows you're giving her the bath.
You're good. You gotta get her hand the other way. So she will straight up.
Eat it.
Eat that soap. We use that non-toxic soap, but I'm sure you not want to swallow it. It'll probably hurt your tummy. You only eat that top cream breast milk. You gotta let go. Stop. You're not riding a motorcycle. Nope. Okay, we're gonna switch to the... There we go. And now, Miss Charlotte, if we can get underneath your neck there. Okay, okay. Oh, no, no, no.
She's getting cold.
You don't like me up in your neck like that? I can understand. There we go. Now let's do this behind of yours.
Oh, look at her cute little buns. Man, she loves the bath so much.
She does. It's her favorite thing.
Maybe next to her a mobile.
Yeah, she's really fond of the mobile right now. That's pretty much all she wants to do. I feel like when your kids find video games.
That's her video game?
Yeah. Like, Mom, you're not cool. You can't fly in the air like a horse. You're not a neon duck.
She already thinks we're not cool?
No, I'm sure she doesn't.
She thinks we're the coolest.
Yeah, she can't get enough of us. You look at the way she looks at us. Alright. We'll have Mom spot check you maybe, but I think you're good.
Is her hair all soap free? Next time Daddy sponge goes up higher in the back.
Here we go. There we go. Now we're all warm again. Bath time is your very best friend.
Do you feel better?
How do you feel? Miss Paisley, how do you rate the services? Top-notch stuff? You look great.
You look satisfied.
Oh.
Nope.
No? Okay, I think you're good.
Put some water on her.
Here we go. There we go. I think we're done.
Daddy doesn't get enough water on you.
I'm
She's
soaking her in
stupid.
what Christ. I'm anointing her. She just don't like the bath right now is what it is. She can't like it all the time. She's done. She feels clean. Services